Right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new Ryobi unboxing. Let's get into it. Introducing you to the M1 Garand. The Ryobi, the newest edition 2023 model of the Ryobi Nail Gun. Now, this is obviously battery operated. It's called Air Strike. You can get your level of pressure here, and you can adjust your depth of the nail that goes in here. Or ammunition. You can't fire at people. You have to have this bit pressed in, and you know it's not going to allow you to fire at someone. Right? Just no. But nails. It takes up to 18 gauge of brad nails. You simply get the heads, you put them in here, then load the magazine, and then you are ready. Not quite yet. You need your Ryobi battery. This will run with any Ryobi battery. And you simply put the battery in here, and you are pretty much ready to fire. But look, if I try and fire over there, it is not going to fire anywhere. Now these are not on that great, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Ryobi. So I'm going to keep my hands away, press down, and that's one in. That's another one in. So why is this known as the M1 Garand of nail guns? Well, if you get a blockage, you take this bit off, and you get the nails, the magazine clipped right out. So I mean, it does sound like an M1 Garand, and you can't load it like this. Notice here as well, we'll reattach everything, that there's green bits there. You can notice the loading phase.
So note the patented loading port.
These green bits disappear. Then as you go fire down the gun, they will appear. And that's just the spring mechanism inside here, what also gives you a visual indicator that your nails are running out and you need to reload, if you may. Now in the bag, this does come with a 2.5 volt battery with a power indicator. It does come with two bars on it. It also comes with a charger, so that's good. And it comes with a tool belt add-on. And it also comes with, also comes with some little brad nails for you to fire. Just little ones. In comparison to the ones I've been firing in the test footage, these are so there must be an inch. But that's if you don't own brad nails. It comes with at least maybe 50 or so, or 40 or 50. I lost count, and you've got 1, 2, 9, 10. It gives you a lot of nails, essentially, to start your nailing with. There's a sentence I never thought I'd say. And that is all. That is all she wrote. Bag is empty. So this is the end. If you did enjoy this, if you do want to pick this up, I don't have an affiliate link for it, but you can find the link in the description below. It is found on Amazon for, I think it was 200 and something pounds. And there's not much more I can say about it, to be honest. Oh, the yellow bit here, you can also make your own and put duct tape around them apparently and stuff like that. But if you damage this little yellow piece here, there is another yellow piece here, and obviously you'll be able to pick up more on Ryobi websites. But this does everything. Everything hopefully I want from it. I've only just started recently using it, so. But yeah, great job, great tool, easy loading action. For instance, here's the wee brad nails that we just got. So smaller version, into the magazine, fed up, and there we go. They're loaded and ready to go. Subscribe to the channel.